Hi everybody, this is Bitcoin Yoda. Today is Tuesday, March 7, 2017. I want to tell you about an exciting new, ultra-safe, ultra-conservative, long-term program that a bunch of us just got involved with. Okay, it's called Cryp trade. It's registered and verified in Spain, and they have actually shown all the documents there. So once you click my link, which is this, and you can see the information below, it'll take you to this weird looking page first, and the reason why is because they want to verify that you are in fact a human being and not a robot. So you click this I'm not a robot button, and then it'll take you to the page. There it is, the actual page now, and click the registration button. But before that, let me show you what this program is about. So for a period of 1 year, and these are verified traders, by the way. They show their documents showing all their registration details. But if you, there's a couple of different programs. So the lowest is, here we go, 0.59% every day. Again, it's nothing crazy like 3% or 4%. But remember, this is low and slow. It's going to be a long term. You can go in with as little as $50 all the way up to $4,999 in this program. There you go. And you can see what it's like, right? Again, I just put in a little bit, $200, and I'll show you what it'll turn into. And then once you graduate to a higher level at 5,000, there's the second level, which is 0.79%. Again, nothing huge, but it's long term and low and slow, and that goes all the way up to $10,000. And then, of course, at the $10,000 level, it's almost 1% every day. Of course, we compound our earnings, so it continues to grow. So there is a pretty cool referral program with this as well, where you would get, you put in $50, and that's level 1. Okay, so the minimum for you to start earning from referrals and to even participate in the program is $50. You get 7% as a referral credit off the frontline people that you bring in. Okay, then once you have more than $1,000 of volume, or $1,000 of people that have invested. So, for example, let's say you have 10 people that invested $100 each. Well, that's $1,000. You've only put in 50, but to qualify, that's $1,000 of capital in your team. They'll give you a $100 bonus. Plus, you now are eligible to start earning off the second level, which is an additional 5%. So let's say you brought in Bob. You get 7% off Bob's deposits. And then Bob brought in Susan. Well, you would get 5% of Susan's deposits. Okay, and it continues all the way down to 7 levels, I believe, or even 10 levels. 10 levels deep. Okay. Of course, at that amount, it's pretty exorbitant, but all the same, it's still, there's bonuses for reaching these ranks. Okay, this is a program that's going to be around for a while. By the way, the period for these investments are 1 year. Okay, it's a 1 year vesting period. So, there's programs out there where maybe it'll pay 10% for 20 days, right? But those programs don't tend to do well. This is a program where the period is 1 year. So you put it in once for 50, let's say you put in $100. The contract is for 1 full year. Okay. Now, you can see that there is contact information here. They are registered in Spain. They have a physical address. But furthermore, you can see that there is the documents. They're actual documents registered with the government of Spain. Let me find it here. Documents. And you can download these files. Okay, and you could see here these scanned documents here. Open. So here's their registration. There's their registration. Right? You can see it's even notarized and everything. There's a couple of documents actually. Okay, of course it's in Spanish, but it is legally registered with their tax ID number or their identification number. So overall, you know, I feel pretty confident with this because of the fact, number one, it just started in December of last year, but also they're not promising any kind of crazy returns. You know, so what they're going to be paying out is not going to be relying on new money coming in. It's actually for the profit that they're making from the trading that they do. Again, I'm very big on Forex trading. I have another program where I actually trade Forex myself. I'll be making a video about that. But to get started with this, you know, looking for a long-term program, click my link below, click registration. My name is Paulo Abalera, Bitcoin Yoda. You can find me on Facebook also under the email pandm2012@gmail.com, or email me at bitcoinyoda@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So when you register, you're going to put your information here, okay? Of course, click your state and then register. And then you're going to receive an email with a email verification code. Now you have to type in that code so that you can actually get to your back office. Once you do that, your page looks like this. Okay, you have your link, and what you have to do is add your Bitcoin wallet. So you go to, where you're going to go is to profile settings. Okay, and then there's my email, bitcoinyoda@gmail.com. Click on payment settings, add your Bitcoin wallet there, and before you can actually save it, well, click save, but they'll send you another email with another code just to confirm that you did make that change. So you type in that code again, and this is always going to change, these codes. So you type in the code here and then click Save Settings. I already did it, so you don't need to do it there. Now after that, what you're going to do is go to the dashboard and actually make the deposit. Okay, so I'm going to replenish with $200. I'm going to select Bitcoin as my method of payment, replenish. And now what I will do is it'll send you, we'll double check that this is your Bitcoin wallet address. And here you go. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this Bitcoin address and this amount, and you're going to send it to them. Okay. Now what you have to do is send proof, send confirmation that you sent it. And you would send the 18-digit hash ID code. If you use Coinbase, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so give me 1 second. Alright, so I logged in now to my Coinbase back office, and what I'm going to do is send that amount. So what I did was I copied this address, and always remember that you make sure you get the whole thing. So 3D all the way up to V2. So copy that, send it, so 3D, V2, okay. And then the amount, just copy that same exact amount. Well, it won't let you copy it, so it's 0.1579. 0.1579. And then you can just put an optional message here, crypto trade, crypt trade deposit number 1. Okay, confirm. Alright, now, remember how it asked for the transaction ID? Well, all you have to do is go back to your dashboard on Coinbase, and you'll see that it's a pending transaction, right? It's pending. So what you have to do is click here, click it, and then click where it says 0 confirmations, and you should see this hash ID. Those of you that's on Zarfund, you're familiar with this because you have to send the hash ID. So that long AF all the way up to 5F, AF all the way up to 5F. Okay, so that's the receipt, right? That's the proof that you did do the transaction. Now they also want you to send a screenshot of the payment. So what I do is go back to your Coinbase and take a screenshot of this. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay. Capture whatever software you use to do screenshots. You just take a picture of it. Okay, so Crip trade deposit number 1. So I'm going to save this file, and then save it there. Now I'm going to find that file on my computer. Bitcoin, trade, and there it is. And now I'm going to send. Let's see what's happening. All right, so I just uploaded it. Yeah, all you have to do is just put in